for Team Ireland.
Yes! Come on!
Deric, what are you up to?
Yes!
Yes!
Yes, Deric!
Yes.
Here we go, 3, 2, 1. Up we go, come on.
It was a great Irish Open, and it's always good when you score better than Tommy does at anything. It's always a good thing.
It's a good day.
Don't be under pressure, Mum. If you need, put all the wonderful turkey and gammon on the dining bar in the kitchen and let people.
And I'm going to pull you up here now because a lot of men cook as well at home.
And then, absolutely.
Go! Come on, Deric, here we go. You see how tough it is over the sand at the end of the run. And we have Deric struggling to take on these experienced cyclists. And some of these lads even carry their bike across the line once it's cycling. Come on, Deric, go!
H-O-T-T-O-G-O. You can take me home to go.
Yes, that's the winner!
Oh, would you look at that big Bula bus? For me and all the gang, we're heading back to Dublin.